we're leaning into the future. We understand that our markets are changing, that technology is changing. We want to tailor fit our rules and regulations for these new products and platforms and exchanges, recognizing that we need to protect investors. We need to make sure that customer funds are safe, or at least that there's an adequate amount of disclosure and people understand what they're trading and how they're trading. So we're working on all of that. We've been taking a number of measures at the commission to make sure that self-custodial wallet providers, for example, are able to offer access without having to register as a broker. We're looking at tokenization and the use of Onchain assets for settlement of contracts and all of that. So we're leaning into on-chain technology. We're just getting started, but we are evaluating these platforms and engaging with many of them. We're excited to see the new frontier of finance built here in the US.
One thing we're observing is that real world asset perps are actually dominating volume over cryptos. Perps, I think, is something over 60% of the volume of the perps market is now looking at real world assets like oil, gold, and now also these pre-IPO stocks as well. So Anthropic, SpaceX, OpenAI, these are all pre-IPO markets that you can trade with these perpetual instruments. These are our American companies. And so it's actually a bit weird that these markets are being hosted offshore. Do you want these markets to come offshore, these pre-IPO markets to come from being offshore to onshore?
It's fascinating to see all of this activity offshore. Of course, we want to see that here in the US in a regulated manner, but we're assessing it. So I look forward to working with Chairman Atkins over at the SEC. A number of these products are security-based derivatives, whether they're futures or swaps or another type of product. That's certainly something that we will work through together. But we're excited to make sure that the new frontier finance is built here in the US, and that means new products, new services, new platforms